I've been exploring the Georgia Lottery official app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Georgia Lottery app is designed for adults in Georgia who want a convenient way to buy lottery tickets, check results, and play instant-style games from their phone. Core features focus on everyday convenience. You can scan scratchers and draw tickets to see if they are winners, check winning numbers, buy tickets for big jackpot games like Powerball and Mega Millions, play digital Diggy and quick win games, and locate nearby retailers when you prefer to purchase in person. This makes it useful if you regularly play and want everything in one place rather than visiting a store each time. However, the app's overall rating sits around 3 out of 5 stars, which hints at a mixed experience. Many reviewers appreciate the ease of buying tickets and cashing out smaller wins, but some mention concerns about rarely seeing bigger prizes on digital games and feeling underwhelmed by payouts. On the downside, several users report glitches with unstable purchasing, delayed ticket posting, and worries about whether wins will be recognized correctly, which can undermine trust. Overall, it is a solid choice if you value the convenience of playing and checking tickets on the go and you are comfortable with the usual risks of gambling. If you are easily frustrated by technical issues or already skeptical about digital lottery games, you may want to use it mainly for checking results and scanning tickets instead of relying on it for all your purchases. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.